Apple, a sweet, crunchy fruit often red, green, or yellow. Banana, a long, yellow fruit with soft, sweet flesh inside. Carrot, an orange root vegetable, crunchy and often used in salads. Grapes, small, round fruits that grow in clusters, can be green or purple. Lettuce, a leafy green vegetable often used in salads and sandwiches. Orange, a round citrus fruit with a tough, bright orange skin. Peach, a soft, round fruit with fuzzy skin, usually pink or yellow. Pear, a bell-shaped fruit with soft juicy flesh, typically green or brown. Tomato, a red or yellow fruit used in salads, sauces, and more. Zucchini, a green squash vegetable, often used in cooking.